This video is for introducing the use of Power Query for project management data analysis, in particular, to change dataset format from matrix format to table format. In our earlier video on data structure, we have highlighted the need to use Power Query to convert data from matrix format into table format for ease of analysis and processing. It is a faster method to transform the data, instead of trying to write complex formula for data analysis and processing. We will look at an example using the progress-related data of a residential project. It is rather common to use matrix format to input timeline for a project. This is due to the ability to visualize how the timeline data, for example the completion date, is related to two elements concurrently, such as the levels and the tasks within an apartment block. Another common use of matrix format is for updating cash flow data. We will move on to do a demonstration on how we can easily use Power Query to change such matrix format data to table format. Click on any cell within the matrix table that you need to transform. At the Data tab, click on From Table, Range button, uncheck the My Table Has Headers checkbox, and click OK. A Power Query editor will be opened. At the Applied Steps list, click the cross beside the Change Type step to remove it as it is auto-generated by Excel. Highlight row 1, and click on Remove Rows button at the Home tab, select Remove Top Rows button, key in 1 in the Number of Rows cell, and click OK. Click on Use First Row as Headers under the Home tab. Remove the Change Type step again since it is auto-generated by Excel under the Applied Step list on the right. Select the first column, go to the Transform tab, click on Pivot Columns button and select Unpivot Other Columns. Rename the columns headers to the appropriate headers. Go to the Home tab, click on Close and Load button. A new worksheet with the data transformed as table format will be added into the Excel. With the dataset converted into table format, it can easily be processed using a bridging table which is also in table format as per previous introduction. A pro tip for working with pivot table and Power Query is to always remember to click refresh when the dataset is updated. We hope you agree that based on this introduction, Power Query is indeed a very quick method for converting matrix format data into table format. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification button.